I was cleaning out my computer and I found this old footage from 2015 that I never did anything with, so I decided, you know what, I should just go ahead and put this together. Sometimes I like to do things to surprise him or to welcome him home in a different way. So I wrote him a letter on the front door so he would be greeted by my letters, my words of love, to welcome him home that morning. So on this morning, I decided to make him his favorite breakfast, prepare his coffee, and welcome him home for a romantic breakfast for two at home. My husband works nights. He gets home in the morning about 8 o'clock. My husband works long hours, 12-hour shifts. My husband's a good husband. He loves me. He makes sure that I have everything that I want, within reason, of course, and within budget. He spoils me with every digital, electronic gadget or power tools from my woodwork shop. He makes sure that I have all the tools that I need to do what I do. He's been a great father and a wonderful husband, so he deserves a little special attention. The rest of this story is very private.